Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a Telegram bot and connect it with the Social Auto Poster plugin in WordPress. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. Select the verified BotFather account and click Start. From the available commands, select New Bot to create a new bot. BotFather will ask for a display name. Enter your preferred name and send it. Next, choose a unique username for the bot. The username must end with the word bot. Once accepted, BotFather creates the bot and provides a bot URL and an HTTP API token. The URL opens your bot, while the token is used to connect it with WordPress. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard and open the Telegram API settings in the Social Auto Poster plugin. Copy the bot username from Telegram and paste it into the Telegram bot name field. Return to Telegram, copy the HTTP API token generated by BotFather and paste it into the Telegram token field in WordPress. Click Refresh Data and save to store the credentials and retrieve the Telegram information. Now return to Telegram and open your new bot using its generated link. Click Start to initialize the bot chat. Switch back to WordPress and click Refresh Data and save again. Once the bot information is loaded, select your personal Telegram account under the Posting Account options. Next, let's connect the bot to a Telegram group. Open your Telegram group and access the group options. Select Add Members, search for your bot, and add it to the group. Then open Manage Group and go to Members. Find the bot, select Promote to Admin, grant the required permissions, and click Save. The bot now has administrator access to the group, which allows it to work with messages and support automated posting. Send a test message in the group to confirm the bot is active. Return to the WordPress Telegram settings and click Refresh Data and save. The group should now appear in the available Telegram locations. Select the group from the Posting Destination drop-down. Now, let's connect the bot to a Telegram channel. Open your channel options and select Add Members. Search for your bot and add it to the channel. Next, choose to make the bot an administrator. Grant the required permissions, including permission to post messages, and click Save. Send a test message in the channel to confirm the bot has been added correctly and is ready to receive posts. Return to the WordPress settings and click Refresh Data and save once again. The channel should now appear in the available Telegram locations. Your Telegram bot is now connected and ready for automated posting through the Social Auto Poster plugin.